So hello everyone, let's talk about the bot which I have created using the DialogFlow. So I have created the bot for King Burger Shop. So let's assume like I'm having a burger shop. Name of my shop is King Burger, and I want to create a bot which can take the order from people. So I decided to use DialogFlow and create a bot. So this is my assume like this is my website. So I'm able to embed this bot into my website. So let me see. Hi. So when I say hi, it say welcome to the King Burger. What do you want to order? I want to order burger. So then it's asking me like what kind of burger you want. I want to order beef burger. Okay. So then he's asking how many burgers I want. I want to order 3 burgers. So okay, great. I am ordering 3 of beef burger. Do you want to continue? Say yes. That's thanks. What is your name? Question card. May I get your email ID, please? Yes. Come. May I get your address for shipping? Okay, 312 Jarvis Street. So if you are giving wrong address, it will give you error. So you have to provide kind of proper address, Jarvis Street, and it's asking for my phone number now. 43456789. And once I give the phone number, it's giving me thanks for ordering. Your order for 3 beef burger will be shipped at 312 Jarvis Station, and you will get receipt on your email krishankant@gmail.com. So if you see, like I'm able to order a burger with a chatbot. There was no real agent was talking to me. It is a artificial AI chatbot, and using that, I'm able to give order. So now you can imagine how chatbot can be used for various purposes. In the same way, this is the one integration of Dialogflow of the chatbot. You can create the chatbot for your Facebook page. You can create the chatbot. You can create the chatbot for your Google Home. So we have lot of opportunities, and chatbot can be used to increase your sales and other things.